Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use split screen on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to do multitasking or to do split screen for your iPhones, let's see how you can do that. So basically there's no any official or built-in feature in your iPhone to split your screen, but you can still use this feature on your iPhone installing a third-party app. So open your app store from here and then you have to simply go for search bar and you have to search for split screen. Once you search, you'll get different apps from here. Here you can see I have already installed this app, so you can easily install this app from your app store and it will be the best for your use. Once you have installed, simply tap on open option from here and the app will be opened. And with the help of this app, you can easily do multitasking on your iPhone. You can use two windows or two screens on your iPhone at a time. So for example, I'm going to open YouTube on first and then open Google in second screen. Or you can see it between your screen from here. You can open anything or browse anything on your dual screen or split screen. So in this way, you can easily do multitasking on your iPhone using split screen feature. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.